Today we'll guide you through simple steps to clean and maintain your Shark POWERDETECT upright vacuum. With Shark's new suite of Detect technology, it's important to show your vacuum some love to ensure you get the most out of it. Let's get started with these easy tips to properly maintain and clean your upright. Start by emptying the dust cup. To do so, release the dust cup from the pod by pressing the Dust Cup Release button. Hold it over a trash can and press the release button on the front of the dust cup. This will open the bottom of the dust cup to empty the debris into the trash. To close the dust cup bottom, simply secure the door back into place until you hear the click. Next, open the top of the dust cup by pressing the two buttons on the dust cup handle to remove any debris that may be caught in the cyclone. Once the lid is open, turn the dust cup upside down over a trash can to remove any debris. It's important to check the top compartment of your dust cup to ensure no long hairs or debris have become caught, which can sometimes cause a reduction in suction. Next, we recommend removing and rinsing the filters. The HEPA filter located behind the grill should be rinsed annually. To access the HEPA filter, remove the dust cup and press the tab on the cover while pulling out. Press the tab on the HEPA filter to remove. The pre-motor foam and felt filters located under the dust cup should be rinsed monthly. To clean them, rinse with running water. Do not wring out the filters. Be sure to let them air dry completely before putting them back in. Leaving them to dry overnight usually does the trick. When replacing the pre-motor filters, install the felt filter first, and then the foam. When replacing the HEPA filter, make sure it clicks into place before reattaching the filter cover. If your Shark POWERDETECT feels like it's not cleaning or picking up debris, or if the headlights on the floor nozzle turn red, there may be a blockage or a clog. To check for a clog, start by emptying your dust cup and then disassemble your vacuum. To disassemble the vacuum, remove the hose from the vacuum pod. Then detach the handle from the wand, the pod from the wand, and the wand from the floor nozzle. Check the handle as well as the hose by using a flashlight to shine light through the airway. You can also check the floor nozzle and the wand. Sometimes socks and other small clothing items get caught up by accident. Turn the floor nozzle over and inspect the brush rolls. Slide the soft roller access button forward to release the soft roller. Hand rinse the soft roller as needed. Use only water and allow it to air dry completely for at least 24 hours. Reinsert the soft roller in the front of the nozzle until it clicks into place. To access the nozzle hose, pinch the release points on the bottom of the nozzle, then lift the cover. Clear any blockages. Follow these steps for effective maintenance and optimal performance of your Shark POWERDETECT vacuum. Visit our support site for more tips, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more guides.